So you have both the tablet, and then you have just the regular smartphone. They transfer from the single smartphone to the tablet as far as what you see on the screen. There is 256 grams of memory in here. You have cameras both in the front. There's a camera here. You have a camera here, and then you have three camera lenses in the back. This also has a refresh rate. Let me see you have a refresh rate of 120. You can also toggle it off at its 60 as the regular smartphones have. It does have 5G capabilities to it. And then you can do like multi-screening here. So you can have, let me see, I haven't really played with it yet, but I'm trying to see if I can get two screens up here for you. Okay, let's see. And then you want another screen, so we can do multiple screens. So just bear with me here and see if I can figure that out. There's a way to do it.
Sure, that's fine. You can tell some
Yeah,
of the things.
there is a way to do it. I just don't really know yet. Now, it is a Premier phone, so you do get other benefits with it. You get 4 months of free YouTube Premium, and you also get 6 months of Spotify for free as well. There is screen protectors on this phone already.
You have screen protectors. Okay.
They're already on the phone.
Okay, so you don't need additional.
No, you do not. So there is one on here on the actual smartphone itself, and then there is another one on the tablet.
Got it.
If there's something that happened on the tablet face itself, as far as the screen protector, they'll replace it for you. I think it's either free or it's at a discounted rate on the tablet, on the screen protector itself for 1 year.
And what about casing? I mean,
Casing, we don't have that available in the store. There are some available on Amazon. Samsung has not come up with any certain kind of casing yet for it. Now, as far as the casing is concerned that I've seen, you won't have any that'll protect the front of the screen because, of course, you want to be able to see it. So it'll have the casing around the edge bezel here. You'll still see the front, and then it'll have the case on the back.
so what is that something that is challenging with this phone? Things that we may not like, you know.
The only thing, and this is probably going to be a preference thing from what I've heard from other people, is the crease on the inside, in the center. You may see it if it's not, dead on. You'll see it in different angles of the light.
Okay. Also, I think it's a bit heavy, isn't it?
It's not very heavy. You can hold it yourself. It might feel a little heavy because this cord is pulling it back, but it's not very heavy. It's about, I want to say it's 3 or 4 pounds.
Okay. So that's good then. I mean, anything else?
The battery life on this should last you all day. It's 4,500 milliampere battery.